Inflation easing. The PCE report is out, and there's some interesting stuff in there. The floors at the Branford renovation look fantastic. We made some progress, but we made a rookie mistake. Let's see if you can figure out what it is. I'm Dave with the Bolduc Realty Group. Welcome to my weekly real estate market update. Today's January 26th. Let's talk about some key Connecticut market stats. On the market today, we have 3,521 active homes. That's down from 3,559 last week. So we're down 38, pretty much gave up the gains we had from last week. We had 206 new listings over the last 24 hours and 3,047 closings last month. That puts us at an inventory of about 1.1 months, so still a very low inventory position. Before I jump into the PCE, I want to talk real quickly about this here, little public service announcement. Be aware of clickbait, misleading articles. This is a screenshot from this morning. The red star and the green star indicate two headlines about the exact same report, the PCE report. Full disclosure, I didn't read the Wall Street Journal report because it's behind a paywall and I'm not paying for it. I did read the FX Street article, but that's not the point. The point is both of those headlines are about the exact same report and they have very different tones, and that is not accidental. So just pay attention, make sure you actually read the report or the article and understand what's going on. PCE came in line with expectations month over month at 0.2%. Year over year, it was actually down a little bit under expectations. It was 2.9% versus an expected 3%. While the annual inflation number used in PCE is above the target that the Fed has of 2%, if you look at a 6-month run rate over the last 6 months, it's at 1.9%. So although we're still seeing an annual number that is higher, we're seeing a trend that's very positive. And I think the market still wants to see more than just a few months. We'll see how it goes. Personal spending was up 0.7% versus a wage gain of 0.3%. The consumer has remained strong throughout this entire thing. PCE today and the Fed meeting early next week have the ability to move interest rates. We'll watch the bond market and see what really happens there. Beyond the Fed meeting, we have the jobs report next Friday. It's a week from today. This is another strong economic report. Rates continue to ride in that pretty tight range, and these reports do have the ability to break it out of that range. New mortgage applications were up 3.7% following last week's climb of 10.4%. Demand in this real estate market remains strong. The current market dynamic seems to have legs. Higher interest rates haven't really tamped down that demand the way it was expected, and supply remains really low. The seller's market is going to continue with high buyer competition and increasing home values. We had significant progress at the Branford renovation. Here in the kitchen, we got the microwave in, all the cabinets are in. The countertop's going to be measured on Monday and then cut and in place by next Friday. I want you to take a look at this picture. What's the rookie mistake that we made here? And then we'll tell you how we solved it, but what's the rookie mistake here? Comment down below. The wood floors refinished. They looked absolutely fantastic. Windows are in. I removed the mirror over the fireplace. We'll get that squared away later, but it looks really good. The bedroom, floor redone, heat's in, windows in, looks a lot better. And then this is in the basement, finished room, sheetrock's up. We're also putting a little closet in down there, and the primary purpose for that is the water meter was out in the garage, and now it'll be inside the house and warm. For ongoing insights in the Connecticut real estate market, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Don't miss out on the weekly market updates that keep you informed and ahead in the real estate game. I'm Dave, your guide through the real estate maze with the Bolduc Realty Group. Have a great week.